Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix story not uploading on Instagram. If you are experiencing issue with uploading stories on Instagram, here is a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Check internet connection. Ensure that your phone has an active and stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause issue with uploading. Restart your phone to refresh the system. Turn it off, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. After that, update the Instagram app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Outdated versions may have bugs that have been fixed in newer releases. And clear Instagram app cache. For that, open the phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps and search for Instagram. In app info of Instagram, you can see here storage, tap on it. In the bottom, you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This ensures you have the latest version without any corrupted files. After that, check app permission. For that, open the phone setting, tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps, scroll down, tap on Instagram app. In app info of Instagram, you can see here app permission, tap on it. Ensure that the Instagram app has the necessary permission to access your phone storage, camera and microphone. If none of the above solution or report the issue. For that, open the Instagram app. After that, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. After that, tap on setting and privacy. Scroll down, tap on help. In help page, you can see here report a problem. Tap on it. You should briefly explain what happened or what's not working. Describe your issue. After that, you can add photo or screenshot of the issue and tap on send. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.